In the journey toward manifesting a life filled with abundance, peace, and happiness, your environment plays a crucial role. According to the law of attraction, the energy you surround yourself with can either draw positivity into your life or block it. Buddhist teachings also emphasize the importance of simplicity, clarity, and mindful living. By eliminating certain items from your home, you not only declutter your space, but also purify the energy around you, allowing for greater clarity, focus, and positive vibrations. Here are 5 things you should consider removing from your home immediately to harness the power of the law of attraction, as guided by Buddhist principles. 1. Broken or unused items. In Buddhism, the concept of impermanence is central. Everything in life is transient, and clinging to the past can hinder spiritual growth. Broken or unused items in your home symbolize stagnation and attachment to the past. These items block the flow of energy, keeping you stuck in old patterns. Law of attraction. Insight. When you keep broken or unused items, you are subconsciously telling the universe that you are okay with brokenness in your life. Let go of these items to invite new positive opportunities. Repair what can be fixed and donate or recycle what can't. This act of letting go sends a powerful message to the universe that you are ready for new beginnings. 2. Negative symbols and images. Our environment profoundly affects our subconscious mind. Buddhist teachings encourage surrounding oneself with symbols and images that inspire peace, compassion, and mindfulness. On the other hand, items that evoke fear, anger, or sadness can negatively impact your mindset and energy levels. Law of attraction. Insight. Replace negative symbols with uplifting and positive imagery. Opt for artwork or decorations that resonate with your desires and aspirations. For example, images of nature, serene landscapes, or symbols of growth and abundance can enhance your vibrational energy, aligning it with your goals. Clutter and excess. Buddhism advocates for a life of simplicity and mindfulness. Clutter not only crowds your physical space, but also clutters your mind, leading to stress and anxiety. The more possessions you have, the more your energy is divided among them, which can distract you from what truly matters. Law of attraction. Insight. Decluttering your home allows for a free flow of energy, making space for new, positive experiences. When you hold on to excess, you signal scarcity to the universe, fearing that you might need these items in the future. By letting go, you express trust in the abundance of the universe, knowing that you will always have enough. 4. Old photographs and memorabilia, tied to painful memories. While Buddhist teachings respect the past, they also emphasize the importance of living in the present moment. Holding on to items that remind you of painful experiences can anchor you in negative emotions, preventing you from moving forward. Law of attraction. Insight. If certain photographs or memorabilia stir up feelings of regret, anger, or sadness, it's time to let them go. Consider keeping only those items that evoke joy and fond memories. By doing this, you free yourself from the emotional baggage that weighs you down and open up to new, joyful experiences. 5. Expired or unhealthy food. Buddhist principles teach us to be mindful of what we consume, as it affects both our body and mind. Keeping expired or unhealthy food in your home not only takes up space, but also symbolizes neglect and a lack of self-care. Law of attraction. Insight. Clean out your pantry and refrigerator, discarding anything that is expired or unhealthy. Replace these items with fresh, wholesome foods that nourish your body and spirit. This simple act of self-care can raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract health and vitality into your life. Conclusion. By removing these 5 things from your home, you create a space that aligns with your highest intentions and desires. According to the law of attraction and Buddhist teachings, the energy you cultivate in your environment directly influences your reality. Embrace simplicity, mindfulness, and positivity in your living space, and watch as your external environment begins to reflect the inner peace and abundance you seek. Remember, the journey of transformation begins within, but it manifests in the world around you. By taking these steps, you not only clear your home of physical clutter, but also purify your life of emotional and spiritual blockages. The universe is ready to bring you joy, prosperity, and peace. Make room for it.